everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 549 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a new product that I found at my Dollar Tree recently. This is the LA Colors Double Take 2-piece eyeliner set that I got in the shades Zen. So it's a black and a white, but this was on like an end of aisle display in my Dollar Tree recently, and there were a bunch of different like 2-packs of LA Colors products. So I picked up a bunch of those. I love trying out new LA Colors products that I find at the Dollar Tree. I'm such a fan of the brand LA Colors. And these were only, of course, $1. So it's basically like 50 cents each because you get 2 products in here. So I've tried out LA Colors eyeliners before and I've always liked them. So let's hope that these ones are just as good. So I'm going to start out by swatching them. See how the white is. Pretty good. That looks like some good pigment. And the black shade. Also very nice. Creamy formulas. They seem like your standard eyeliner pencils. Good pigment, draw easily. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the black eyeliner and use that to line my upper lash line. There we go, quick and easy to apply. It's got that full black color. I definitely feel like eyeliner, especially a black eyeliner, is a product that you do not have to spend a lot of money on for it to be good. So let me go ahead and line my other eye. I'm very happy with this, as I expected. Let's see how these last. There's definitely smudging if you rub at it, so I would just need to be mindful not to rub at my eyes. Now let's see how that white shade does. I wanted this for my waterline. Yeah, this definitely works as a waterline eyeliner. That's why I chose the black and white color combination, because they're 2 eyeliners that I would wear on a daily basis and that I would wear together. So this is a great waterline eyeliner, but this could also work as a regular eyeliner if you wanted to incorporate some white into your eye look. But I really like putting white eyeliner in the waterline because it gives that visual effect of having brighter eyes and bigger eyes. So I am very happy with both of these liners. Basically they are 50-cent eyeliners, and since you sharpen them, these, even though they're shorter, they'll still be able to last for a long time. So if you wanted to get some eyeliners, I would definitely recommend these. And if you're contemplating trying out some LA Colors eyeliners, I definitely recommend them. They are so good for the price. And I'm really happy with the eye look that I was able to do. It was so quick and easy, but this is a very everyday, any type of occasion type of eyeliner look that was achieved for $1. I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite color of eyeliner to wear is. Do you wear black eyeliner? Do you like a pop of color for an eyeliner? I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.